How to use DSers with Shopify dropshipping. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Shopify and e-commerce tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can do your Shopify dropshipping using a great dropshipping platform which is called DSers. Now, obviously, you've heard about dropshipping if you're into the online store or e-commerce business. Dropshipping is when a retailer or a seller sells you a product which he doesn't have himself, but it's somewhere in a warehouse or maybe with some other seller, and that seller that you're going to buy it from ships it from another seller. So basically that's what drop shipping is. And obviously, if you're into e-commerce, then tons and tons of people do drop shipping because it's one of the easiest and greatest ways to make money. And obviously, you have probably heard about great drop shipping ways like Caesar Dropshipping, dropshipping.com. But today we're going to be talking about DSers, and we're going to be discussing how you can connect it to your Shopify. So I'm going to be walking you through all the steps. I'm going to sign you up with your Shopify, create a store for you. Then I'm going to sign you up with your DSers, sign you up with your AliExpress, connect them both, integrate them, and then properly show you how you can start importing your products and do your drop shipping. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is obviously you're going to go to your Shopify. Now, once you're in your Shopify, you're going to need to get signed up. Now, once you're signed up, they're going to ask you to create a store. So to create a store, you're going to put in any name. I'm just going to put this randomly right now and click on create store. Now, once it says success, your store is ready to go. What it does is it's going to load us up into a prompt panel where it's going to give us a few MCQs. And over there, it's going to give us choices, and we're going to have to correctly choose those and accordingly optimize our store. So here it says, tell us a little about yourself. We'll help you get started based on your responses. So are you already selling? You can choose now. I'm just playing around. What is your current revenue? I'm just getting started. Or you can just choose any one which goes truly with your resume. Which industry will you be operating in? Now this is a crucial step. Please make sure to choose the correct industry because according to this, you're going to get clients and products and optimizations on the Shopify store themes. So I'm going to go with furniture right now, and I'm going to click on next. Here it's going to ask you for your address. Now, please do make sure to add in your correct address because this is also going to be taken as your default business or billing address. And obviously over here, you're going to get your payments. If you don't have a credit card or a bank balance, set it up on the Shopify account. So once you're here, this is going to be your Shopify dashboard. From here on out, how you can add your DSers dropshipping is very easy. First of all, we're going to go to products and see here that we don't have any products. Why is that? Because we didn't add any. Now to add any, you can obviously click on add your products or you can start dropshipping. So for that, we're going to go down here and click on add apps. Now, once you click on add apps, usually DSers is going to show up here where it says DSers AliExpress dropshipping, and you can just click on add. But if for some reason it doesn't show up here, what you can do is you're going to come down here where it says Shopify App Store. You're going to click on that. And once it loads up, you're going to come here where it says DSers AliExpress dropshipping. If for some reason it doesn't even say it here, you can just come up here, search on the App Store DSers, and here it's going to give you DSers AliExpress dropshipping. So you're just going to click on that. You're going to come here and you're going to click on add app. Now, once you click on add app, what's going to happen is it's going to load you up into the DSers main page. So we're just going to wait for that to happen really quick. And here we are. So here it says DSers AliExpress dropshipping install app. So all you need to do, you're going to click on install app and we're going to wait for it to be installed properly. And here we go. Here it says create an account for you or register yourself. Now, you can do this, and obviously according to this, it's going to create your account through Shopify, or you can register yourself. Totally depends on you. If you want to do it a bit quicker, you can just click on create an account for you. Your Shopify email address has been used to create a DSers account. So if it's already in use, you can just log in like me, or you can just sign up. It's a very easy and simple process. So after you've done all that, all you need to do is you're going to add in your details and log in. Now, once you log in with your DSers account, what it's going to do, it's going to bring you here where it says link your supplier. And here it says step 3, link to AliExpress. Bind your AliExpress account with DSers, thousands of products for you to choose from. So all you need to do, you're going to click on this prompt where it says AliExpress, and you're going to link your account to AliExpress. Now here, you're gonna either create an account with AliExpress or you can sign in with your account. Now, if you don't have an account, all you need to do, you're gonna come to register. You're gonna choose your location. You're gonna put in your email address, like that. You're gonna put in a password, a strong one. And once you do that, all you need to do is you're gonna click on create account and you're set to go. But as I already have an account, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna sign up with mine. Now, once you sign up here, it's gonna ask you for validation. Please make sure to verify yourself, and then you're gonna click on submit. Then it asks you to verify your identity. So just go ahead and make sure to verify yourself properly. I'm just gonna do all these steps to do this really quick. Now, once you verify, over here it says open success, self-open success, and you're gonna click on sign in now. Now, again, once you do that, you're gonna have to log in with your AliExpress just once again, once you've probably verified. And what it's gonna do from there is it's gonna redirect you to your DSers, and it's gonna properly integrate and connect your account to your Shopify store. So here you can see that apps and sales channel, we have DSers already connected and integrated. So we're just gonna wait for this to load up real quick. And once everything is done, you're gonna be redirected to your DSers, where you can see that your DSers is properly connected to your AliExpress. Now, this is your basic DSers page. It's just like any other Shopify dropshipping page. But what we're gonna be doing is you can import your products from here directly. And to do that, all you need to do, you can search a product up here, or you can maybe come down here, and all you need to do is you're gonna click, let's say I want the shockproof armor. I'm gonna click here and click on add to import list. And once you do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here where it says import list, and you're gonna click on that. And here you can see that you have these imported products in the list. Now, this is one way, or the other way you can do it is you're gonna come here on AliExpress, and let's say you like a product over here. So let's say you like this RGB speaker type of thing, and all you need to do is you're gonna click on the product. We're gonna wait for it to load up. Here we go. Now, once you click on the product, you're gonna go on its URL. You're gonna copy its URL, and you're gonna come here and you're gonna paste it, and you're gonna click on search. Now, once you click on search, there you go. It has automatically imported itself into your list. Now, as you can see, it has still not arrived in your Shopify products. And to do that, all you need to do is you're going to go to your DSers import list, and you're going to click on push to Shopify. And once you select all of these, you're going to click on push to Shopify. And over here it says select your store. You're going to select your store. Continue selling when out of stock. You can choose these, and once you do that, you're going to click on push to Shopify. And what this does is then it throws these products into your Shopify store. So I'm just going to reload the page and show you what has happened. So here you go. As you can see, we just added these products right here. Now, the shockproof armor didn't come in, but we got this watch and this Asgard series, and it's right here. And you can see that it has different variants as well. It's an active product. And you can list this on your Shopify store. And yes, this is how easy and simple it is to start your Shopify dropshipping with DSers. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And please stick around more to watch more videos on this channel. But yeah, until then, I hope you all had a great time watching this video. And I hope you all have a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.